This is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing like my favorite skirt. I wear this skirt all the time. And then this top I got from Yesstyle. And I felt like it was like a little thicker for like the summer, but today is kind of cold, so. Are you guys ready to see my day? I feel like it's literally the same every single day in my life, but who knows what will happen today. And we're open. Nobody is here yet because I'm like an hour early as usual. I like coming here a little early so I can like set up. It's also the end of the month, so I have to be changing these designs. It's so hard coming up with like 7 designs that are like in the price range and like trying to decide what people would like and stuff. We also got some new cat eye collections, so I might be using that. I like using like new products that we got because not a lot of people know if we're like not announcing it. So that's what I might do. I have 5 appointments today, I think, and I'm excited to do them. There's a lot of students walking around. I feel like even like 2 weeks ago, there were like nobody on the street, but now everybody's moving in for back to school and there's so many people. Like, I've never seen the deli so full.
Hey guys, I got my nails done.
I didn't expect you to do that.
Just got my nails done and look how good they are. I'm gonna go bike back now with my pretty nails.
Oh my god, you're like Like literally in my last vlog I was opening a Yesstyle package, and today I got another package in the mail, so I'll show you guys what I got again. So first thing I got is this phone case, and it's so cute. It's like Y2K star vibes. Whenever I would get flowers, I would not have a vase to put it in, and then it would die like 2 days later. So I just got a vase, and this is really cute. And I feel like it's perfect for my home because I love pink. This is so random, but I got like this thing. It's basically a machine that puts jewels in your hair, and I felt like I wanted to use this for like when I go to like concerts and stuff. Like I thought it would be so cute. I got a pink blanket because I always get cold in the salon. Like I'm always cold. And then I got this robe, literally like pink, and then you just like tie it around like that. First I got this bandeau, and it's so cute. It has like little bunnies. That is so cute. And then I got this top. I didn't even know this is what it said. I just thought like these graphics were cute. It says you should talk to a therapist, but I don't know if I'll be wearing this around. And then I got this top. This is cute as well. And this is the last thing that I got. It's this gray dress and cardigan set. And it's like so stretchy and it's so comfortable.